Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the auto restart problem on your device. Follow the steps carefully to stop unexpected restart permanently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.